Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make tasty yogurt mandazi. And without wasting much of your time, let's get into the process. So for this recipe we are going to be using ready baked mandazi flour, cinnamon powder, yogurt which will be lemon flavor, squeezed lemon and orange juice. I will go ahead and add in my flour inside my mixing bowl. Then add in my dry ingredients, which is only cinnamon powder. Probably you are asking why I'm not using any sugar, salt or any baking powder. It's because the ready baked flour already comes with all those ingredients in it. So I'll only be adding flavor to my mandazi. I'll just mix all the dry ingredients together before adding in my yogurt and my squeezed lemon and orange juice. I'm going to go in with my wooden spoon and mix all the ingredients together until they are evenly combined to form a consistency of a chapati dough. At this point my dough was ready. I let it sit for 30 minutes before I started preparing my mandazi. So in this step I'm going to start working on my dough. I'm going to dust my surface with flour. Then divide my dough into equal halves. Then using my rolling pin, I'm going to take each half and roll it out round. Then I'm going to cut them into rectangle shapes in the shape of a mandazi and deep fry them one by one until they're golden brown. So here's the final result. If you like this recipe, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave a comment. I'll also leave this recipe on the description box below for you guys to follow. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.